Would you prefer a tall, ugly guy or a short, handsome guy?
Tall, ugly guy. Tall, ugly.
Hey there, guys. Are you feeling a little self-conscious about your height? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many men struggle with feeling too short, but the good news is that there are plenty of tips and tricks you can use to appear taller. In this video, we'll be discussing some practical and effective ways to help you create the illusion of height and feel more confident in your own skin. Tip number 1. Wear fitted clothing. Wearing clothes that fit well is key to looking taller. Baggy clothing can make you appear shorter, so opt for clothes that fit your body properly. Avoid clothes that are too tight or too loose, and instead go for well-fitted clothing that follows your body's natural shape. Tip number 2. Choose vertical stripes. Vertical stripes can help elongate your body and create the illusion of height. So, consider wearing shirts or jackets with thin vertical stripes, or try pairing a solid colored shirt with a vertically striped tie. This simple trick can make you look taller instantly. Tip number 3. Wear the right shoes. The right shoes can also help you appear taller. Choose shoes with a slight heel or lift, such as dress shoes with a small heel or sneakers with a thicker sole. Avoid shoes with a completely flat sole, as they can make you look shorter. Tip number 4. Improve your posture. Good posture can make a big difference in how tall you look. Stand up straight with your shoulders back and your chest out. Avoid slouching, which can make you appear shorter. If you struggle with maintaining good posture, consider doing some posture correcting exercises or seeking help from a physical therapist. Tip number 5. Try thick shoe insoles. Thick shoe insoles can give you an extra inch or 2 of height, making you appear taller instantly. They are also comfortable and can help provide cushioning and support for your feet. Look for insoles that are made from durable and breathable materials, and choose ones that fit well inside your shoes. Incorporating these tips into your daily routine can help you appear taller and feel more confident. Remember, there's no shame in being short, but if you want to create the illusion of height, these tips can be helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips like these.